Welcome back to your review channel. Today I have a sensory board. I'm going to show you a little bit about this nice sensory board. So many things involved in this. You can see there's so many activities for the kids. Magnets, shapes, squares, pegs, zippers, buttons, you name it. It's got all the cool stuff. Check all this out. This is all in here as well. I love it. Xylophone, musical, all kinds of stuff. Music box here. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an elephant activity wall busy board. What this is really important. This is really good for kids' development. It's a wall board you put on your wall. You can put this in your home. You can put this in your office if you have an office, if you have little toddlers and kids around, to keep them busy. Activity wall, colors, sound, just all kinds of cool stuff. Let's just do a quick unboxing. We're going to show you each panel and what they look like and what's included in this kit. Now this came boxed really nicely. This is all high quality wood. This is not junk plastic at all. I was very impressed in the quality right up front, just to let you know. So let's open it up and take a look at it. It does give you all the mounting screws and all the anchors, all included. So you would put up a panel at a time. You can put them together. I think you can maybe offset them a little bit if you want to, add some just interest of motion with the kids, to move to move around. Or you can put them in a straight line, any which way you want to. It comes with the screwdriver, comes with a little Allen wrench. I think you have to just attach one thing. We'll take a look at that in a few minutes. Here is everything out of the box. It does come with an instructions, basically how to drill the holes and set up the layering, how you want this to lay out on the wall. Totally up to you. I suggest using a driller, drill a small hole, and use the anchors and the screws that are included. The only thing you have to put together here is just a little tambourine. It comes with a little tambourine here, a little tambourine toy that you put this on afterwards. That's the only thing you have to assemble. Everything's all assembled, which I absolutely love that. That's 1,000% a winner in my book. Hate putting things together, but you do have to do it sometimes. So this you have to just screw on, and they give you the Allen screw for that. Really easy, so that's all you have to install. I'm going to break it down one at a time, each one of these boards you can see, and then you can assemble them when you want to, how you want to assemble your elephant. So this is the front half, of course. Again, you have all the screw holes right here. What's cool is you get all these different sensories here. You have a clock, which is really cool. Your kids love to play with that, move this all around. You have this little leaf that goes up and down like this here. You have the eyes that turn, and also in here is a little mirror, which is really, really cute. They can see themselves. You get like a peekaboo kind of thing. They can see themselves. That can close. Again, everything's all safe for children, you can see here. Again, really, really interesting. This is the front, okay? Here's the back of it. Again, all high quality, painted. Really colorful, really interesting, and really nice. So we're going to put that to the front of the elephant. The second one I would do, this is how they suggest doing it. Here is the second half. So here's more sensories. I like the xylophone, which is really fun. Kids are going to love this with the xylophone. Again, really good sensory. Again, this is a little drum. And this is where you put, the drum, we have the, whatever that's called. You know what this is. So you can bang that, so they can bang that as well. That's cool, which is just one screw. That's the only thing you have to put on here is that one thing. And this, again, you got the drum, right? You got the xylophone, okay? This is a little thing here with like a little pick. So the kids are going to love this kind of stuff. They're going to just play with it. They're going to learn. Here's a music box. So when they do this, it plays music. You just hear that. I like that. That's cool, right? So, and it's very colorful. I like, again, put all the screws in, really super easy to do. I love it. So that would go next from the elephant if you were going to build this. So I would do it like that. Here is all that. That's all the sensories with that. Here is the next board. Tambourine. I'm going to call this a tambourine, like the little tambourine part. You know how that. Okay, guys, the next board is really, really cool. I like this one quite a bit. Again, it's got more gears. Kids love gears. They love that. Learn how to tie. That's really interesting. They have a zipper, right? Learn how to zipper. That's important. Here's a buckle. Learn how to buckle. I like this one a lot. I added 2 AAA batteries. It doesn't come with it. Just make sure you know that you have to add it yourself. And these light up. These all light up. You can see how they light up like that. There's the blue. These are buttons. That's cool. I like that. Here's a yellow button. So you can say, go press the green button, right? Yellow button, hit the red switch, right? Red switch. And I like that. So there's a lot of sensories. There's a lot of education here. There's a lot of motor skills, right? Motor skills are really cool. All kinds of stuff. Great for nurseries. If you have a dentist's office, you have little children, if you're a doctor's office, this is a must-have for your walls. Sensory walls are like a key, really, really, really important today. So that'll go here. Let me move this element down a little bit. That'll go there. The next one I like, this is another fun one here. This one's really cool. Move this out of the way. Again, more sensories. You got the elephant going across here, right? Here's the butterfly going across here. These are magnets. Now, these magnets are really fun. The kids want to move the balls around. Check this out. Move these balls around, right? Check this out. You can move them around. I like that. So you can see, I think the kids like to just move things around. That's just really what it is. Just drop them like that. Actually, I like this myself. And you have one for up, so both, so a couple of kids can play this at one time. You can just see, again, sorry about that. You can see how you move this all around. Really, really cool. Good sensory magnets. Again, everything is all safe. Here's more balls here. You want to bring the balls up, right? So you can bring the balls up. You can drive them up here, put them across. So you can do all kinds of things. You have colors, okay? Color leaves, purple, red, pink. Purple, red, pink, green, black, blue, yellow, brown, white, and orange. So now you can teach them colors, move the balls to the pink, all kinds of things like that. So again, there's so much involved in this sensory board. I like that. Again, all assembled. All you have to do is add that little symbol thing like I showed you. That's it. This will go next, like that. And the last one is really cool. This is the back of the elephant. Again, more like little balls move around, more sensory. These are really cool. You can pop these out here and they can learn how to do squares and circles and pegs and holes. That's another big thing as well, guys. Just all about, hearts, shapes, just putting shapes in. There's so much here. You don't think about it because, we don't think about it as adults, but as kids, this is super important. Learning how to do these things, putting the square peg in the round hole. You don't want them to do that. You want them to put the square peg in the square hole. You want them to learn that, okay, this doesn't work here, this works here, and this works here. Triangle, actually even says in the back of it, I didn't realize that as well. Triangle, right? What does this say? Trapezoid, right? That's the size. Here's a star. These are nice. That's a star, right? Here's a heart. There's a heart. Again, all kinds of interesting things. They can look at the back. As they learn to read, they can, a little bit older for reading, they probably won't be playing with this, but you get the gist of it. And this goes on the back of the elephant. Really, really nice. Okay, guys, so this is kind of what it looks like together. You can put this on the wall. Like I said, everything is really, really cool. I'm definitely going to recommend this for sure. It's definitely the way to go. And I did add the little sound, the little thing here, the little bell, the little whatever that's called, the drum, xylophone, right? Like that. The kids are going to absolutely love the music box, all this kind of cool stuff. All right, that's what it looks like. Assembled, basically. You put it on the wall, gives you all the screws, take your time. The kids are going to love this forever. This is going to last you forever. They're going to absolutely love this, and this is what I have. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. I bring value. If I brought you some value, please do that for me. It means a lot to me. I really do appreciate that. There'll be a QR code over here for the product. I do get a small commission, as you do know. It does help support my channel and cost you nothing, but help support me, and I really do appreciate that. And then below, there'll be some affiliate links below as well. That's all part of helping my channel out, and I do really appreciate that. If you like it, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to help support me, consider that super thanks. That helps support my channel as well. I appreciate everything. Hope you enjoy all the videos. I hope I brought you some value with this item here. This is a really big item. This is quite big. This is almost, I think, 5 feet roughly, and this is great for the wall. Again, you can stagger it. If you want to stagger it, you can do what you want with it, or just do it straight, keep it linear, whatever you want to do, whatever's easier, whatever you think is best. Everybody has their own idea what they think, and I think this is absolutely fantastic. I love it. Hope you will too. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget, I'll see you at the next review.